Hey guys, what is up? I'm about to be talking about. First, this game is going to be called Subway Surf. And on my Subway Surf video, I don't know. I'm about to be doing. I'm going to see if I can get to 10,000 likes on this. And also, see how it goes from there. Okay, guys, I'm about to go. I'm Trixie now. Got this many keys. My boards are gonna be, guys, this one. Sorry, guys. My phone is acting up. So this is complicated is because this video is gonna be this game it's weird. Every time I do it, it glitch. Oh, dang it. Sorry, guys. See if I can get to 700. If I ever done with the Transformers book I'm making, would you want to buy it? Huh? That's all. Shush! Oh, I told you to be quiet. Okay, guys. Whoa. I don't know. Tell my friend to be quiet and he started talking. I'm about to end this video.